All right, it is Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com with another giveaway, and as promised, we have the RIOT1800.4 RGB, and we are giving away the actual amp that was done for the unboxing.
Holy giveaway.
And the dynoing right here. So, how do you win? Pay attention.
Okay, everything's ready.
In the description, there's going to be a link to the YouTube full video of the unboxing and the dyno. You're going to have to watch that. I'll explain why.
Watch this video below.
First, like usual, please like this video. You will need to comment your name, location, why you should win, and you have to share this out. Okay. Next, you're going to text the letters RGB to 737 Big Jeff. That's RGB to 737-244-5333. You will get an auto reply saying thank you for entering. Please let us know how much power did this do mono at 4 ohms. How do you get that answer? Well, you got to go watch the full video. Pretty simple. So as long as you liked, commented, and shared, and you sent that text in and you watched the video, you can put in how much power it did mono at 4 ohms. And then we will pick the winner. Actually pretty quick. January 14th at 7:30 p.m. on the Big Sound by Big Jeff podcast. We're also announcing the winner for the 2500 that we did. So if you didn't enter in that one, how do you figure out how to do the giveaways? Well, on our website, under media drop down, there is a section that says giveaways, or you can just go on our YouTubes or our Facebooks and search for them. So yes, we're giving away a RIOT 2500.1 that did over 5,000 watts.
What?
And we're giving away a RIOT 1800.4, and you need to watch the video.
Here, watch this video
To figure out how much power did this do on the dyno mono at 4 ohms. Real simple. So we will announce the winners January 14th, Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. on our podcast with Jay Holm, the founder, owner of B2 Audio. And we will announce the winners that night. And you have time to get in this right now. So share, comment, like it, and then go ahead and text RGB to 737 Big Jeff. You'll get an auto reply. We'll send you a link where to go even, but it's in the description right now to watch the full video. Hey, I'm Big Jeff 2025, kicking it off with some giveaways. That's what we do. I'll see you on the next one.